Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Desia Eka.
And I am Junior Rizka.
In this video, we will discuss the topic of access point, key to a stable and interrupted network. Next, what will we discuss in this video? First, what is a wireless access point? How does an access point work? Where are access points usually used? Why do we need to use access point? What are the main benefits of using access point? How to configure access point? Disadvantages of access point and their complement.
Before we configure the access point, there are several tools that we must prepare, namely 1. Router. The router is the tool we will use to configure the access point. Second, PC or laptop. This tool is used so that we can connect to the router. Third, network and LAN cable. The router must be connected to the internet so that clients connect to the access point can also connect to the internet. Then a LAN cable is used to connect the router and PC. So, what is an access point? An access point is a connection between a client and the internet without using cables. Then the client can connect to the internet after connecting to the access point. Do you know Wi-Fi? That's another name for an access point.
Next, how does the access point work? When we configure the access point and the router also has an internet connection, the router will send an internet connection to the client so that the client can also connect to the internet. So, where can we find the access point? Currently, we can find access point anywhere from, for example, in office, cafe, school, apartment, and tourist attraction. Nowadays, access point can be found everywhere. Well, can anyone really live without an internet connection?
Why do we need an access point? Of course, so that we can connect to the internet. Being connected to the internet will make it easier to communicate. Then the access point covers a fairly wide area. Nowadays, we depend on the internet because many things involve the internet, right? So, what are the benefits if we connect to an access point? Makes it easier to access because there is no need to use cables. Besides, being being able to save data package, the access point also provides good internet speed, making our activities easier.
Next, we will discuss how to configure the access point. To start, make sure the router is connected to the internet because the router will be used to create new connection. After that, the first step is to create a password for the wireless access point. Enter the wireless menu and open the security tab profile. Add a new security profile by clicking Add button. Give the profile a name, select WPA PSK and WPA to PSK for security. Use dynamic mode to increase security and make network management easier. Enter the password you will use. Then click Apply and OK. The next step is to create a wireless API. Go to wireless menu and activate VLAN 1 by checking the box. Configure VLAN 1 by setting the mode to API bridge in the wireless tab, which allows multiple clients to connect. Give the SSID name in the menu provided. Then, use the password that was previously created on the security profile tab. After all settings are complete, click Apply and OK. After that, Add the IP address for the VLAN interface. Go to the IP address menu and click Add to add a new IP. Enter the IP you want to use and select the VLAN 1 interface. When finished, click Apply and OK. The final step is to configure the DHCP server. Enter the DHCP server menu and select DHCP setup. Select the VLAN 1 interface and follow the configuration process to completion. After all steps are completed, test the configuration by accessing the wireless AP via a device such as a cell phone. The created SSID will appear in the Wi-Fi list, and you can connect by entering the appropriate password. Once connected, the device will have access to the internet.
Previously, we discussed the advantage of access point. Now, we will discuss the disadvantage of access point. Weak network. The network will weaken when you are far from the access point. Cannot be accessed remotely. The access point has a wide area, but if you are too far away, you cannot connect. When the power goes out, the access point also goes out. To turn on the router, you need to use electricity. When the power goes out automatically, the access point configuration will also turn off. When many clients are connected, the access point will be weak. When too many clients are connected to the access point, the connection will be weak because the router will divide the internet connection to each client. Here, we will provide suggestions for using access point. To optimize the use of access point, make sure you use tools according to the specification you need with the support of the latest technology. Then install the access point in a strategic location to make it easier when you want to connect. To overcome the problem of power outages, use an uninterruptible power supply so that the access point can operate when the power goes out. Apart from that, make sure you carry out routine maintenance to maintain the performance of the access point. So, we can conclude that access points are important in modern networks and can be connected without cable. Apart from that, access points also make connection more efficient and flexible with a wide coverage area. With an access point, it can provide easy and practical internet access.
Now, it's quiz time. The first question. One of the advantages of using an access point. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you answer A is wrong. If you answer B is wrong. And if you answer C, then it is correct. So, the correct answer is C.
Question number 2. What the tools are needed to configure the access point expect 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If answer A is wrong, if answer B is wrong, if you answered C, then it is correct. So the correct answer is C.
The third question is, what is the function of AP bridge model? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is A. Allows multiple clients to connect.
Question number 4. What are the weaknesses of the access point? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is A. Will be weakened if accessed by many clients.
The last question. In what menu do we add the password? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If answer A is wrong, if answer B, then it is correct. So the correct answer is B.
Okay, everyone, we think that's all we can say. Thank you for watching until the end and see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.